I would say that I was at my lowest point 6 months ago. It was 6 months before graduation. And when you think about graduation, you're supposed to think about words like excitement or happiness. I mean, it makes sense, right? We spend almost our entire lives in this structured thing called education. This is the finish line. This is where you take that degree that you've worked so hard for and start chasing your biggest goals and dreams. You should be happy. But when you're 6 months away from graduating and you have no clue about what you want to do with your life, trust me, you will be the furthest thing away from happy. Hi dreamers, my name is James Lau, and I used to be really motivated and really passionate, just like a lot of you. I would wake up every single morning with so much drive and so much passion, but with nothing to put it towards. And at the end of the day, I would just feel like a complete failure. And when you pair a highly motivated graduate who has no clue about what he wants to do with his life, naturally I started to want to do anything and everything that I could get my hands on. So with my rash decisions, I became a prime target, like a prime cut of beef for pyramid schemes and scams. I was getting rejected from jobs, or rather I would apply to jobs that I knew for a fact that I wasn't going to love purely out of desperation. But the worst of it all, I wasn't able to be present when I was with the people that I love. I would feel so much guilt even when I'm at a social event with my family or with my friends. Because everything was going on in my head was just, what are you doing with your life? Why are you wasting your time in this social event when, you could be spending time, working on your dreams or your goals or doing things that will help you in your future? I'll feel so much guilt just from hanging out with my friends. And for once in my life, I understood why 1 in 5 college students suffer from depression. But I got lucky though. I was able to meet amazing mentors and coaches just at the right time who's helped me identify what I was meant to do in this life and to better identify my purpose. And since then, it has been a 180-degree shift in how I view life and how I view graduation. And it wasn't until I lost a friend to depression who had such a bright future ahead of him that I decided to dedicate my life in helping people like me to better identify our calling and our purpose in life. Which is why I started Apologue, the hub for guided self-help and personal development. I hope I have your support in my vision of helping millions and millions of people around the world to better identify their calling and their purpose in life so that they can accelerate their growth and live a more fulfilling life. From interviews with professionals in different industries so you can better identify what you want to do as a career, to more videos like this if this is something that you're interested in. I really hope that I have your support. So make sure you subscribe and like this video if there's something that you would like to see more of. And once again, my name is James Lau. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.